blue line, close your cells, the teacher's lays, AFK freeze, fun rifle, and repeats. Alright, please bomb rush to the blue line, close your cells, the teacher's lays, AFK freeze, fun arrival.
I have a question. This is like a serious problem. So, I have Photoshop, and every time I draw a picture, it doesn't save as JPEG. It only saves as Photoshop files. I really want to know, like, how to fix that, because I drew a fantastic profile picture, and I couldn't save it. So I'm a little peeved. I'm a little peeved with that. So I don't know if any of you guys, like, draw here, but if you do, you should probably help me out.
Hey, Sniper Duck, Kevin!
Search up and Google.
This is the Scout Crab.
Alright, thank you.
So, what do you guys want to do today? Robo, go, Joe, be my guest, I don't care.
Wow, that was a nice bait. Look at how his body is. That's beautiful.
I can't fucking breathe. It hurts to laugh.
So let's do soccer. Alright, so please bomb rush to soccer field in the teacher's lays. Split yourself into 2 even teams. Once you get there, do not hit the ball, do not hit the ball.
Spy, gentlemen. Spy among us.
Do not hit the ball, remember. And split yourself into 2 even teams when you get there.
Oh, he hit the ball. It was that spy with the towering pillar of hats.
Split yourself into 2 even teams.
Running away. He's now behind the fence. You should probably kill him.
Where?
Nope, he's gone now. He's gone. You can't see him. You can't see him. He's gone.
Oh,
You can't see him. He's gone.
So split yourself into 2 even teams. Jeez.
Medic, I need medic. Oh my god.
No, you don't. You need to die because you hit the ball, stupid.
Don't hit the ball. Each time you hit the ball, I'll just shoot you once. Alright, so scout, spy, and the bug spy, please get into one side over there.
Doctor! Thanks for the aid.
You know, I'm not getting out of this box.
This scout, please go right there. Okay,
This is
good
the
job.
If I
dream team
somehow
right
win
here.
by this.
Alright, so it's not even since this is a rebeller, so I'll just say, Hoobie, please sit out for now. Yeah.
That scout needs to move.
Scout, I told you to go on the other side.
He's not funny.
Alright, you may, okay, here are the rules. So you cannot cross the middle line. First one with 4 goals wins, and yeah. Do not leave soccer field also.
It doesn't work for me. It's not working.
You have to crouch down for sure.
No, that's stupid.
Come on, Doc.
Not sure those. Rip.
Oh, heavy KOS.
Alright, a dumb name. Wait,
Next
what?
time I will.
A dumb name, please. I'm taunt right now. Alright, heavy, please go over here.
As you can
This is
see,
fair.
a wild spy is
This is fair. Oh, the scout.
Ow.
Guess not.
Medic.
Alright, everybody.
Wait, Mega Sans?
I
Why?
muted that person.
Mega
No, not
Sans?
the kill
Why?
Mike. No, you have
Oh,
to
God,
copy
no.
Mike. Get off Warden. You have
Please,
to copy
no,
Mike.
please spare my ears.
Alright,
Please.
follow the last orders of Warden.
What were the last?